Hello artists, this is Ludo Art here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very simple drawing with black ink on white paper, and you will get a quick guide through how to make these kind of drawings. So here we go. So I'm gonna start doing some lines like this with a pencil, as I like to make mountains. I have a habit of doing it a little bit like this on feeling, something like that, and yeah, big one right here. Make some snow on the top. Like that. And then I take the 01, for example, and I just fill in the lines like this. Easy. It doesn't have to be exactly on the lines, it's just to have some idea of where I should put the ink after, so I don't make unnecessary mistakes. And after, I will show you how you erase the normal pencil that is still beneath or just on the side of the ink lines that I'm putting right now. I'll let it dry for a moment, and then, for example, we can make a moon or a sun right here. Let's make something round here. Try to make it as round as possible. Sometimes I use some object that I have close by to make if I really want perfect round shape. Now I don't care, so I just do like that. I fill in with the ink again. Like that. I like to do the kind of art where you, for example, I like to fill in with black sometimes after I made some patterns. So I'm gonna show you. Take a small one, 005. It's a very thin point, as you can see maybe. Yeah. So let's say I do like this. Make some irregular things here just to improvise. And as you can see, I leave some white line in between. And then when you fill in the spaces, it gives a nice effect of the black and white. Here you can see I'm filling the edges of the places where I want to fill in with black. I just fill in the lines first with the smaller pointed pens, like that. I can fill in the bigger spaces with a bigger pen, so it goes faster. It's just you fill in the lines close to the edges of all the spaces you want to fill in, because then you avoid, when you use the bigger pointed pens, to make mistakes or to get color outside of the lines. So here we make sure it is filled close to the lines, and then we take the big one, like 08 for example, and we go. take, for example, this round cap that I have for my pencils. I just go around that to make a circle.
They wouldn't know much about me. Not into fucking with all these. Money don't count itself. Always be counting on what I earn.
So here we go. A very simple black and white drawing that I've done with these black ink pens, and the black ink pens that I've used is archival ink Micron Pigma, which is very nice pens that have the black ink in different sizes of the points of the pens, and this ink is good because it doesn't float around on the paper, and you can do as I did. I put that pencil before to make some lines, and then I fill in with the black ink, and I can erase the overflow of the pencil color, and the black ink, it doesn't move, it stays, because it dries quickly, and like that you can erase everything that is behind the pencil color. And you can get these kind of pens in any kind of drawing store. Normally it's a normal brand of pens, and with very good quality. And then I use the aquarelle paper normally, and they have different sizes. I use the A6. This one it's a half A6 that I've cut just to show you how to make a quick drawing, and it's good quality, very thick paper, and also for the color, it dries quickly here, and you have it's stuck to each other, so it's very good quality. You just need a knife to put inside and cut it from the rest of the papers. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.